back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. And this look is for New Year's Eve. This is what I would be wearing if I was celebrating New Year's Eve and New Year's with people. But I will be stuck at work while the countdown goes on, sadly. But for you all that are going to celebrate New Year's Eve, and I just wish my channel will continue to grow, and yeah, I hope you guys will just continue to support me on my journey here on YouTube. And thank you all so much, of course, for always constantly supporting me and always just watching my videos and subscribing and liking my videos. I'm so excited for the new year. I just want to see what 2019 will bring me. 2018 was okay. It was just like another regular year for me. But this next year, I really hope a lot more things do come my way. And yeah, definitely some of my resolutions are definitely to get back in shape, because I have been doing really bad on that. So definitely getting back on shape, saving more money, earning more money, and I hope to provide you guys with better content next year as well. So thank you all so much. And if you guys would like to see how I got this New Year's Eve glam, then please continue watching. Oh, I'm going to prime my face first before I start doing my eyes, just so the primer sink into my skin. And I will be going into my Kaja Blur Drop Primer. And I'm going to just put a little bit of that on my hand. I'm going to prime my face. Today I will be going into the Sultry palette from Anastasia, and I'll be also using this one from Jouer. This is the Ultra Foil eyeshadow palette. So it just has a ton of foil colors on here, which is super pretty. So I'll be incorporating those two together. But yes, for now, let's go ahead and prime the eyes. And going into my Smashbox 24 Hours primer. I'm just going to use my fingers and put this all over my eyes. I know I am ready for a new year, new resolutions. But sadly, I won't be able to celebrate because I do have work, sadly. So I will be celebrating the new year at work. So I know that's a real bummer. Like, I wish I was at home partying it up. Just kidding, I don't even party, but just being at home and getting to be with my loved ones and celebrating the New Year's together would be a dream. So that can't happen, so that is totally fine. I'll have to work with what I have. Alright, let's go into the Sultry palette. I will mostly be using the matte shades in here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'll be going to the Anastasia brush that came in this palette. I will be going into Birch. This is going to be my transition shade. I'm thinking of like a color, not colorful look. I was thinking of like a gold shimmery look, or a gold smoky look. Probably a smoky look. Okay, next up I'm going into Dystopian. Alright, you guys, so now we have some smoky outer corners. And for the center, I am going to cut my crease with my NARS Complete Concealer. For the color that is going to be in the middle, I'm going into my Ultra Foil eyeshadow palette from Jouer. And I'm going in with this gold shade right here, 24 karat. Right here, it's all over my eyes. Wow, look at that. Super foiled. It does not even need it does not even need to be wet or anything. It just glides on so nicely. Let's go back into Anastasia palette and just use that brown shade and just add a little bit on the side, blending it in. I'm also going to be adding a wing liner and also making it into a glitter liner as well. Just go ahead and use the liner. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. To be adding a wing. Fill it in. Doesn't really have to be perfect either because, like I said, I'm going to be putting some glitter over it. I am going in with this eye topper from Jouer, and it's in the shade Constellation. It's kind of like the Stila ones. This has a little doe foot right here as well. I'm just going to add that on top of the eyeliner. Just all glitters. So nice. Okay, so we are going into our foundation, and I will be going in with the quick foundation, and this is back to using my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation to apply that all over my face. Going with my beauty blender, I will be tapping that. I'm going to use my Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. And I'll go in with my Marc Jacobs bronzer, some of that out here. With some colors back into my face. Here to be Toasted Cinnamon Blush. A Vulgar setting powder. So we're letting that bake. Let's go ahead and work on these brows, and then I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back on camera, and majority of my makeup is already done. As you can see, I have lashes on, and they're just my usual iconic lashes from House of Lashes. And then I also did the bottom line, the bottom lash line. I just used that brown shade from the Sultry palette, and I added some of the shade from in the Jouer palette. So this shade right here, this one is called 1111, and I just went and put that on the inner corners of my eyes, and then I just took off the baking, and yeah, and of course my brows are done. So we just pretty much have the highlight and the lips to go. I'm just going to add a little bit of my rose quartz from Jouer. I feel like I need some blindingness in my life right now, because for New Year's Eve we want to have that blinding look. So alright, there we go. More like it. For lips, I'm going with this Morphe lipstick, and this is called Tempt. It's like a nice mauve tone. lips are done, I'm actually going to add a little bit of this from the Stila palette. I'm just going to add some of that onto the lips. In the shade in the middle. Some of my Lancome Fix It Forget It setting spray. Okay, you guys, and this is the look that I created. I hope you guys will like it. It's a nice gold glittery eye look. Yeah, but like I said, I am working tonight, so we'll be able to celebrate, but I really hope you guys are able to celebrate with your loved ones, count down to the new year. I hope you guys will all have a great start to 2019. Thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart for continuing to support me on here, and I will always try to provide better content for you all. Thank you guys so much. This is my last video of 2018, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.